What is going on, everybody? Let me tell you, I'm a fan of the Boker Kalashnikov. I don't have a lot. I just have a couple of these, and they both have the crazy recurve Tanto blade. But let me tell you, the thing I like about these knives is they always feel really good in your hand. If you have big hands, these knives are going to give you a confident feeling in your hand. They're really going to fill your hand out. Just really a good overall knife, especially for the money, especially for being an auto. So they're really great, cool knives. So why not have a dessert warrior? I know, it's crazy. Blade HQ is not afraid to take a risk on doing Tantos, and that's what I love about them as a company. Such as the Spyderco PM2 Tanto. Spyderco didn't want anything to do with it, but Blade HQ ran it time and time again, and they sell out time and time again. I don't understand that. I don't understand why we can't get more of a permanent production line. But anyway, Blade HQ is not afraid to take some crazy chances, and this is obviously a crazy knife, but it's their 20th anniversary, and like I said, I can't turn down a Tanto, because I'm a supporter of the blade design. I love it. And we're going to take a look at this and see how crazy it is. So here's your packaging. Designed in Germany, made in Taiwan. Crazy. Okay, so obviously this is the smaller version. Got your sprinkles, different colored screws. Pretty creative. Very different, that's for sure. Nice straight Tanto blade. Very, very cool. D2 steel. Yeah. Again, crazy design. $70 or so, I think, is what this one is. This is the 3.5 inch. So let's get that out of the way. So I think that's what this one is here. So that's the kind of the smaller size. This is the large size. This is the XL version, basically, I guess you could say. Which I personally like the bigger version myself, but to each his own. Little dude there. So very cool. I do like the fact that this one did come in the straight Tanto blade design. Again, feels good in the hands. I do like the handle design on these knives. They just really fill your hand really nicely. D2 steel, it's not necessarily the best steel for the money. I mean, like $70, but it is an auto. And the best part about these is, if you need to swap out the hardware inside, like the springs and stuff, you can get them at aftermarket fairly cheap. So these knives are basically going to last you a lifetime, either way it goes. It's a crazy color design, maybe not for everybody. That's for sure. I enjoy supporting Blade HQ, like I said, because they're not afraid of taking a chance with a Tanto blade design, where everybody seems to want to, not want to tread down the hardcore Tanto design. But I do enjoy and support the fact that they're not afraid to take those chances. So to have a wild and crazy pink and sprinkle knife in a Tanto, let's be honest, it's taken a pretty big chance. And they're still available right now. There's a few different variations. There's also a couple of Civivis, but they're not Tantos. So if you're interested, go ahead, take a look over there at the website. I think it's kind of cool. For me, I'm a collector of obviously Tantos, so to throw this in the collection, it's nice, not bad. Again, for the money, I wouldn't pay any more for it. I think that was really the top of the price range that I would spend for a knife like this. But like I said, I am a fan of the Boker. the Kalashnikov. It's an automatic. It's pretty cool. Just a very crazy color design, obviously. But there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this video. That is the Desert Warrior Kalashnikov. Alright guys, have a great day.